Hello, my name is Jennifer Viteri Jimenez. I am from Villa Gorgona. I am studying system engineering. First question, has technology changed human life in your community? Technology has been of great help in my community since it has improved the quality of life of people in terms of education, communication, and work. Second question, what positive and negative aspect do you think your community has had in the usage of technology today? On the positive side, I believe that technology has shortened the distance between family and friends, the education of children and young people has been more affordable and has made work easier for men and women in the communication. As for the negative aspect, you can see the poor management of devices and social network, as well as the lack of control over the used dependency in some people. Thank you.